Welcome to this exciting presentation on AI technology in 2025. In just a few years, artificial intelligence has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Let's explore how AI is shaping our future. From AI-powered virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is making life more convenient than ever. Smart homes now predict our needs, adjusting lights, temperatures, and even suggesting daily routines. AI is revolutionizing healthcare. In 2025, AI-powered systems assist doctors in diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately. Robotic surgeries and personalized treatments powered by AI are saving millions of lives. The workplace has changed dramatically. AI-powered chatbots handle customer service, robots assist in manufacturing, and businesses use AI to analyze data, predict trends, and optimize productivity. Education in 2025 is more personalized than ever. AI-driven learning platforms adapt to individual student needs, providing customized lessons and instant feedback to enhance learning. With great power comes great responsibility. AI raises ethical concerns, data privacy, job automation, and even deepfake technology. It's crucial to ensure AI remains beneficial and fair for all. So, what's next? AI will continue to evolve, making life smarter, businesses more efficient, and innovations beyond imagination. The future is AI, and we are just getting started. Artificial intelligence is not just changing the future, it is the future. What do you think about AI in 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.